Automatic big sack filling and soft bag packing machine with pneumatic bag grasper. Efficient and versatile solution for granular product packaging. This machine is designed for efficient and versatile packaging of granular products into various types of bags, including soft bags, hard bags, craft paper bags, and plastic bags. Features: 1. Wide application range, suitable for different types of bags, making it versatile for various packaging needs. 2. Advanced control panel. The 10-point for operation control panel with a multi-language display allows for easy parameter settings and status monitoring, providing convenience for users from different regions. 3. Efficient bag storage and handling. Equipped with double empty bag trays, each capable of storing over 200 bags. A vacuum self-examiner alerts when the bag tray is empty, ensuring continuous operation. 4. Precision weighing and packing. The machine can weigh and tack products ranging from 20 to 25 kilograms per bag with an accuracy of 0.2%, minimizing product wastage. 5. High packing speed, capable of packing 10 to 15 bags per minute, significantly enhancing productivity. 6. Automatic bag feeding. Automates the process of feeding, opening, examining, and filling bags, reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing efficiency. 7. Superior components. Utilizes components from renowned brands like Siemens, PIAB, Becker, and Schneider, ensuring high reliability and longevity. Technical sufficiency. Weighing and packing range, 20 to 25 kilograms per bag. Weighing accuracy, 0.2%. Packing speed, 10 to 15 bags per minute. Bag size, customizable. Compressed air, 0.5 to 0.7 MPa. Key advantages: precision and accuracy, ensures precise weighing and packing, reducing product wastage with an accuracy 0.2%. High-speed operations, enhances packaging efficiency with a speed of 10 to 15 bags per minute. Versatile bag compatibility, handles various types of bags, catering to diverse packaging requirements. Quality components, built with reliable and durable components from trusted brands, ensuring long-term performance.